What's up, guys? It's your guy Will, aka Rudy, and this video is going to be building brackets for the fire truck, the slide brackets. I had to make all new custom ones. I'll show you how it is. I actually built them a couple weeks ago, and now I'm editing the video and forgot to do an intro. So here's the intro. Introduction. Introduce. Is there any other languages for whatever? Okay, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's pretty cool. There's CNC plasma tables running and some pretty cool brackets came out. Yeah. So after many days of research, calling Jerdan dealers, I couldn't find anything. Most of the parts are actually discontinued. I was able to find it's like a neoprene, the bracket that bolts onto here. I found those. I found the entire kit. I bought those. But everything else, all the brackets that I'm about to make are discontinued. So I'm making them. I'm making them from scratch because I can do that. Isn't that cool? I should call Jerdan and start selling these parts. So these are the brackets. That's what the aluminum bed actually rides on. There's two bolts that hold it in, and these ones are adjustable. And then this row is actually just welded on. So there's two of these brackets. There's 6 of these brackets, and there's 4 of these. And basically what you do is you slide the bed on and then you adjust them so that way they're snug, and then you grease them up, and then the bed will ride on those. This one actually had a broken bolt and was rubbing on the bed, which made a big gouge, so I got to repair the gouge on the aluminum. Now this is not a sponsor, but I did get these from Zips AW Direct. These are the neoprene brackets. Look how nice they are. They're not worn out, and it's a whole kit for the bed. So and it came with all the hardware too, all the bolts and everything. So that was pretty cool. Thank you, Zips. If you have a Wrangler Light Jerdan rollback bed and you need parts, you need the brackets, let me know. I have all the drawings now and I can make them. So if you need them, put a comment below. Let me know, email me, and we could talk about making brackets. And I'll post a link below where I found the neoprene plastic slide parts. I got a sheet of 3/8 plate on here, and that's what I'm going to use to cut out these brackets. The brackets were originally 1/4 inch, and just because I'm going to beef it up to 3/8, so it'll be a little bit stronger. All right, so here's the CAD CAM drawing, and I got everything loaded in there. I'm cutting them flat, and then I have to go get them bent. I don't have a brake, but I do have the plasma table, so I'm going to do that part. And it looks pretty good. This is the bracket that I pulled off. You can see the bends. That is actually supposed to be at a 90 degree, and it's like 15 degrees past 90. And you can see how worn this neoprene bracket is. I mean, from 1986, I just hiccuped. From 1986, it's lasted pretty well, and I highly doubt that these were actually changed. So you can kind of see the shape of the bracket, and that's how it's going to cut flat. And then I just got to go get them bent. So now I just got to hit the print button. Take the old mouse and go whoop, right there, and click, and there it goes. Remember, guys, like, subscribe, and tell your friends about this channel. I appreciate you. Hooey! go. We got all the brackets cut out. It took just over 12 minutes to cut these. I mean, it's pretty thick material, and the machine just eats it up. Oh, that's not bad. Minimal dross. It just kind of like flakes off. Came out pretty good. See, side by side, that's kind of how they're gonna be. And then I gotta get it bent up so you can kind of see, you know, that's that part. Pretty close to the same. And once I get the two bends in it, it'll look exactly the same. Boom! 10 brackets, ready to get bent. Here's the ugly old bracket, and bam! Here's the new one. Look at that. It's 3/8. A lot more heavy duty. It's never gonna bend. I mean, this one did pretty good for the, I don't know, 30 years that it was in a truck. But I still don't want the possibility of it bending. So, nice and heavy duty. Now I just gotta get them into the truck. I really appreciate all you guys, all my fans and followers. This project is a long project. There's gonna be many, many videos, and it's coming along pretty well so far with all the work that I've done. So keep watching. I appreciate it. Tell all your friends, share if you can, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you at the next one. Oh, great. Yeah. I made a hot tub out of a fire truck. I don't know if anyone's